Hello. So I want to talk to you in this presentation about why affiliate marketing is the best. In this presentation, I'll be answering this question I found on a question site. And by the end of this video, you will have learned what my answer is to this question. If you watch this video, start to finish, I have a gift for you just because you did. Let's begin. If you hear any noises, it's due to my cat jumping back and forth on the table as I'm recording. I apologize in advance. Okay, so also apologize for my voice if it goes in and out. I can't control it. So the first thing, free to start with CB. CB stands for ClickBank. Now, some of you may already know this, but I'm assuming that you don't, and I apologize if you already do. I hope this isn't a waste of time. ClickBank is a free platform for digital products. It's free to join as an affiliate. They have tons and tons and tons of products for you to go ahead and go out there and promote. I actually done many videos on this. If you search my channel, you'll be able to find as much information as you need about ClickBank. And also on this channel, there are tons of videos to learn on this subject, the subject of affiliate marketing. That is what I built my business around. Now the process is very simple. I'll go ahead and I'll share the process with you. You decide what kind of a product you want to have that you want to sell. You try to find people that are interested in buying that product. They're called the target market. You then will make content that attracts them to you. They consume the content and you give them a call to action at the end of the content. You send them over to your website. You capture their email and build an email list. You send them to a value series, which again is something I do in my business because I want the person to know me, like me, and trust me when they go to my website. And I want them to really know that I'm sincere about caring for them for their best interest. Then after the value series, you have an option to sell on them or to call on them and get a strategy call set up to where you decide and determine if they are a good fit for your business, if they are able to get results with what you have to offer, or if you can direct them to another source, another mentor that will give them the results. At least that's what I do. If I don't have something that helps you, I send you to someone that can. Okay, so I probably already talked about it, but I'm going to go ahead and explain it one more time. So the best method is to price. The price is minimal to start. Okay, this really is the best method because it's free. I have built this business for free for 9 months. YouTube, free. Email client, free. Website through Google Sites, free. Now I did end up having to get an autoresponder because I had too many contacts that I had to follow up with manually. But for a while there I was sending out emails and doing it manually. And as you can imagine, it got tiring. It got overwhelming. After 6,000 emails of collection and then having to delete them because they weren't the target market, you can imagine how frustrating that was. And then trying to follow up with people after they would email you. So that being said, there's a quick way of doing it now that I use, and I pay 15 bucks a month. If you're interested, I'll give you a recommendation for an autoresponder. After you do the autoresponder, it makes everything automated. You could then send emails out. See, there goes my voice. I apologize. You could send out emails, and you can then follow up with the people that have shown interest in giving their email to you to follow up with them. Affiliate marketing is the method to use for attraction and awareness. Now, you may not understand this, so I'll tell you that there's another video on my channel that is attraction marketing. It goes into detail what attraction marketing is. But awareness is self-explanatory. Awareness is basically this. People have to know that you even exist, and then they can consume your content. So affiliate marketing is the method I use personally to get awareness and to draw traffic and to grow my brand and have them attracted to me. As my business grows, I'll have more volume of people that I can help, that I can lead. If I don't have the product that they need, I can direct them to someone else. As a matter of fact, I just met a gentleman this week from doing what I teach on my channel. And the gentleman is now going to collaborate with me. I have a Facebook account. You're welcome to check out my Facebook account. You can see it for yourself. I posted about this. Anyways, I just want you to know that if you need some assistance with affiliate marketing and you're not sure where to start and what is the best method to do, I choose to use affiliate marketing with YouTube. It's all free. It takes time, but it's worth it. You get results, and in the long game, it will pay off. Years later, your videos will remain on any other platform. Well, maybe one more other platform, but most platforms, the content doesn't last very long. So that's why I choose YouTube. And I've seen people that have great results from it. I got this one guy, I have a mentor. He actually got me started with my business, and he makes already over $1 million a year in his business. So I know it's possible, and I know I can do it, and I know you can do it as well. So I'm going to go to my next slide. You must have training. If you want to do this properly, there's training I have on my website. You go to my website and I give you step-by-step what to do to be set up for your business with affiliate marketing using YouTube. You go to this website right here, and since you stayed to the end, I have some gifts for you. You go to my website, you go to the bottom of the first page, and you'll see where it says click here for the roadmap. You click that and it will go step by step how to set up your business. And then at the end there, it gives you the option to go to my training. My training is 2.5 hours long, all about YouTube. I give you all the tricks, all the tips, the how-tos, not just what to do. Here, I give my what to do. There, I give a free training of how to do it. So it may be interesting to you to check it out. All right. One more thing. If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.